It's Margarita Skype, and in this super quick video, I want to show you what my creative photography looks like after I made a video which was about how I do my photography for jewelry stores online, or how I do my jewelry photography for magazines and Instagrams, which I will link right here. I had a lot of people ask me, well, can you show me some of your creative photos that you have done before? And I apologize that I didn't really include a lot of them in the first video. I just didn't think it was too necessary, and I was concentrating on the technical details or passing through to you how to do photography in a cheaper way with just a phone and a little $30 box. So in this video, I want to show you some of the creative photography that I did literally with a phone and the same box for $30 or under $30 online. So here we go, just to show you a couple of samples or maybe get you some ideas for your own creative photography for jewelry. It's Margarita Skype, and in this short video, just wanted to show you some samples of jewelry creative photography. I'll see you in the next video.